Deadly Rose palette by Clarity Cosmetics. I am going to create a quick two and done eye look. In my ice cream box video, I said I was going to repress this shade right here, but I changed my mind. I decluttered it. I did not want it to get on everything. So I did not bother to repress. I'm going to create a look with this beautiful palette. Take a look at it. I mean, yeah, one shade is missing, but that doesn't change how pretty this palette is. Take a look. How gorgeous. The front, I just love this. The back, yes. So I'm going to create a quick, easy two and done eyeshadow look. It's really a one and done, but I'm going to use the gray as a transition right in the crease and then the other color. Well, I'm just going to put the gray all over my eyes. What about that? And then the next color. So we have a transition color and then the one and done eyeshadow makeup look. Very, very easy look. You blink and you might miss it, so don't blink. Hi everyone, welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where I create all kinds of eyeshadow looks. But lately the one and dones are the one you all are enjoying, so I'll create a little bit more of one and done eyeshadow looks for you. I love to play with color. I use my canvas, which is my face, to create. I don't want you to ever stop creating. So I take this silver, not silver, I take this, I'm ahead of myself. I take this gray and put it everywhere. Today's I am encouraging word is from the Self-Love card deck, and it says, I release all feelings of negativity and guilt. I release all feelings of negativity and guilt. That is our encouraging word for today. I am now going into the palette. This beautiful palette. I'm loving it. I use this gray all over my eyes, and I'm going to use this color right here. I cannot tell what it is. It looks like it's a brown. But it's a shimmer. And I'm going to put it right here on the lids. Remember, this is like a one and done eyeshadow look today. I have hooded eyes. If you're new here, I try to work and go above my natural crease so I can create looks that I love and I can see the color. This brown shimmer has a black base. Let me swatch it for you. You see it right here? It is gorgeous. Take a look at it on my eye. Very, very pretty. Today's encouraging word is a reminder of us to release our guilt and our negative talk. It is going to have negative talk is not going away. Let us come to grips with that. But if we know how to handle it, we will be able to manage our life a little better. Because guilt is not going anywhere. Negative talk is not going anywhere. And negative self-talk is even worse. So we have to find a way to release it. If it's at the end of the day before you go to bed, whatever guilt you're feeling, if you're saying, well, I was supposed to have 2 scoops of ice cream, but I had 4, right? You see the guilt? The guilt is heavy. So what you say at the end of the day is like, I release me overeating ice cream for today and let it go. Next day, if you feel like having ice cream, start with 1 scoop and then put the rest away and commit to yourself. You'll only have that one. If you want to have two, space them so you don't feel guilty. Because if you're doing the same thing over and over and expecting to have different results, it's not going to happen. You understand what I mean? We're all guilty of overeating. Trust me, I love good food. I love a pasta shrimp scampi. And I can eat all of it in one sitting, but I try to stop myself. I listen to my body. If it says full, I stop. I'll take the rest home. It could be 2 spoons left. I will not touch it. I discipline myself in a lot of things. But sometimes it's hard. Sometimes I will eat that shrimp scampi and then still have dessert, a chocolate cake. You know what I mean? So we have to learn to release the feelings of negativity and guilt. Like when we look at ourselves in the mirror and say, oh my God, I have this on my face. I have that on my face. I don't feel beautiful. I don't look beautiful. This, that. Stop. Full stop. Come to a full stop and say, no, I am beautiful. I know I have a zit, but that too shall pass. You know what I mean? I know my nose is flat and it's not pointing and as long, but thank God I can breathe. Find the positive in the negative. You know what I mean? So this is all I'm saying. I release all feelings of negativity and guilt. That is our inspirational word, encouraging word, or I am for today. This eye look, let me finish it up and we will be right. One and done eyeshadow look. Tell me what you think. This shade is so pretty. I hope it's coming through on camera. I am loving this. This is gorgeous. But this black lipstick is from Juvia's Place. And I line it with one of my liners. And the palette is Deadly Rose by Clarity Cosmetics. And I use 2 shades. One as a transition and the one undone is on the lids. Can you see it? Oh my God. Everything I use is in my panning project. But tell me what you think in the comments for this shade on the lids. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please remember to play a playlist. YouTube has this new thing that they launch and it is called Hype. So please remember to hype my video on YouTube. I am loving this look. I'm loving this look. I'm loving this look until I see you and you see me. I want you to remember, even though it's once a day, release your guilt and release your negativity, your self-talk negativity. Work with that. If you keep working in releasing your negativity, you will start having more positivity. Because the more negative self-talk you do, the more negative self-talk comes up. The more positive self-talk you do, the better you'll get at saying more. Because every time you say one thing positive, 5 negativity thoughts come through. So remember to just keep working on yourself and with yourself and give yourself grace for falling. And then get up and start all over again. But never, ever, ever give up on yourself. I will talk to you soon. Bye. This look I am loving. Yes. Oh. No. Let me stop. This is too funny. Bye, you all.